What's going on, folks? I'm going to show you how you be changing out your headlights on a Jeep Patriot from about the 2007 to about 2017. It's pretty simple. All you want to do is pretty much pop your hood. You want to come to your headlight that's bad. And pretty much if you could look right here, you'll see this green wire. It's like a wings on each side of it. You just want to take your hand. If you're working on the passenger side, you want to kind of spin it down toward the ground. And when you do that, your bulb will come out. Alright, so once you get the bulb out like this, what you want to do now is you'll see like this little red piece. You just want to pull that down like that. It's going to be up. You just pull that down. Once you pull that down, there's a little green tab, the tab right here. You just squeeze that tab down. And once you do that, you can pull your bulb out like that. Then you can take your new bulb and replace it. Never touch these bulbs like this with your bare hands because it'll get grease on them and make them burn out fast. So once again, you spin it from the inside, take it out. Pull that red thing down right there, squeeze that tab, and your bulb will come out. When you got your new bulb, you just want to take it, make sure you got it turned the right way, and just slide it back in like that. And once you do that, you want to take this red piece and slide that back up like that. You just want to go ahead and stick it back into the location. Alright folks, once again, this is how you would change out your headlights on a Jeep Patriot from about the 2007 up to about the 2017. Alright, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.